Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Mahogany, one of the newest and fastest growing neighborhoods in Calgary, Alberta. Located in the southeast part of the city, Mahogany is a modern lake community known for its beautiful homes, wide pathways, and peaceful atmosphere. The neighborhood was officially launched in the mid-2000s with the idea of combining city living with access to nature. At the heart of Mahogany is Calgary's largest man-made lake, surrounded by beaches, parks, and wetlands. Its planning focuses on walkability and community life, with gathering places and events that bring people together. Calgary itself is a large city in the province of Alberta, sitting at the point where the prairies meet the foothills of the Rocky Mountains. It became a city in 1894 and grew quickly because of the railway, ranching, and the oil industry. Today, Calgary is one of Canada's major cities, known for its energy sector, clean streets, and friendly people. The city is also famous for the Calgary Stampede, a huge rodeo and festival held every summer. With a mix of modern downtown life and access to beautiful natural areas, Calgary offers the best of both worlds. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Calgary, Alberta. Thanks for watching!